Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set margin of footer in Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word. So there is a two method. Okay, so I will show you one by one. The first method, you can go to the layout, and under layout go to the margin, and here go to the custom margin. Okay, go to the layout, go to the margin, go to the custom margin, and this is the page setup will be open. Now you can see this is the three options: margin, paper, and layout. So go to the margins only, and here you can see this is a preview. You can see this is a top margin, which is header margin, and this is a footer margin. Okay, so here the top margin of header and footer. Okay, so you can decrease it if you want to increase. If you want to decrease this margin, you need to decrease it. You can see this is a preview, you can see. Okay, so you can decrease as you want. You can also increase that footer or border the header margin, and you can also increase and decrease that footer margin. You can see this is the preview. If I increase, that margin of footer will be increased. You can see. If you decrease, the margin of the footer will be decreased. Okay, so just select your margin and just click OK. Then margin will be changed. So here the footer. Okay, the second method, you need to make editable footer. So just double click on the footer. Okay, it will be editable, or you can simply go to the here search and search for footer. Go to the edit footer. Now you have this footer. Now you can see this is the ruler. Okay, so if you don't find this ruler option here, you can go to the view and make sure this ruler option enable. Okay, now here you can see this is our footer margin. You need to keep your cursor on the top of the margin and make sure this symbol view. Now hold by clicking your mouse button and drag upper side, then margin will be increased. You can footer, and you can also decrease the margin. This is a maximum size. You can keep minimum margin like this. Okay, or you can keep as it is you want. Same you can do with the header. Okay, you can decrease the margin like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.